What's a parcero, you might have asked yourself? Well, un parcero is what you call a friend or acquaintance in Colombia. Today we're gonna learn Colombian slang. So, speaking of parcero, parcero is kind of like saying brother or bro. Most of the time, you'll hear the short version, parce, instead. This very famous Colombian slang came from Antioquia, a local planting region. Parcero is most widely used in the Paisa slang. The Paisa region includes cities like Medellin and Antioquia. But now, you'll hear it anywhere. Quiubo, parce? What's up, bro? Quiubo is a contraction of que hubo, meaning what's been going on, or what's up. Colombians will sometimes just say Quiubo when they want to say what's up. You'll sometimes also hear Quiubo, ¿qué más? What's up? What's more? Meaning what more has been going on in your life. Let me know in the comments below a quick Spanish sentence on what's new in your life. This next one is my favorite. Chévere. It essentially means cool. Nigerian immigrants first introduced it in Caribbean countries such as Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, Venezuela, Cuba, Panama, and Colombia. ¿Qué hubo, parce? Todo chévere. ¿Y tú? What's up, bro? All chill. And you? Qué chévere. How cool. El nuevo parque está chéverísimo. The new park is really cool. El nuevo parque está chéverísimo. A similar word is bacano. My dad uses this one a lot. It means cool, enjoyable, good, or nice. You may hear this one a lot in Cali and Bogotá. Él es muy bacano. He is very nice. Él es muy bacano. El concierto va a estar bacano. The concert is going to be so cool. El concierto va a estar bacano. Vaina. Vaina substitutes the word thing in informal context, although it literally means pod or sheaf. Colombia shares the saying with Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Peru, Puerto Rico, Cuba, and Venezuela, but its meaning varies from country to country. ¿Qué es esa vaina? What is that thing? Or what's that? ¿Qué es esa vaina? You might also hear a parent say this to their kid when they're being extra silly. They'll just be like, ¿qué es esa vaina? Like, what are you doing? Necesito esa vaina. I need that thing. Like when you can't think of the name of something that you need. Necesito esa vaina. Por favor, ve por esa vaina a la tienda. Please go get that thing from the store. Por favor, ve por esa vaina a la tienda. This one's more if you both know what that thing is and you're just asking them to go to the store for you to get it. El parche. Literally meaning the patch, but actually means the crew. Like when you're hanging out with some friends. You can sometimes hear armamos parche when you're asking to make plans with your friends. Or you might hear el parche está bacano. Essentially meaning the group of friends or the plans that you have together is really cool. Rumbear, meaning to go out, party, and dance. There's always dancing. Always. Vamos a rumbear. Let's go out. Vamos a rumbear. Estar prendido. To be lit. Literally. The slang meaning is to be buzzed or tipsy. Esa pola me prendió. That beer got me buzzed. Uy, esa pola me prendió. Just note that you have to be a little careful with this one because it has a more sexual connotation outside of Colombia. So you want to just say this in Colombia. Or maybe don't even say it. Don't risk it. Don't do it. Guayabo. Literal meaning a guava tree. The slang meaning is to be hung over. Tengo un guayabo que me está matando. I have a hangover that's killing me. Tengo un guayabo que me está matando. Don't drink, kids. Estoy en guayabada. I'm hungover. Estoy en guayabada. Now for some day-to-day slang. A la orden, meaning at your service. Literally translated at your orders. You may have someone in a store say this to you when you walk in. A la orden, ¿en qué le puedo ayudar? At your service, how may I help you? A la orden, ¿en qué le puedo ayudar? Also, when you're leaving a place of service, like a restaurant, store, etc., you say thank you, and then they will say a la orden. Kind of like saying anytime. Now let's talk about money. Billete. Billete means dollar bills or money. ¿Por qué no vienes al paseo? Porque no tengo billete. ¿Por qué no vienes al paseo? Why aren't you coming to the excursion? ¿Por qué no tengo billete? Because I don't have money. Billete. Plata. Literally meaning silver. But it's another way to say money as well. Este fin de semana me pagan la plata. This weekend, they'll pay me the money. But you'll probably hear it in diminutive. Este fin de semana me pagan la platica. Este fin de semana me pagan la platica. Just like in Costa Rica, we add ica or ico to the end of our words to make them more diminutive. When telling someone that you're going to drop by or stop by, you would say, te caigo. Más tarde te caigo. I'll stop by later. Más tarde te caigo. You've probably heard this next one. Chimba. You'll hear chimba used in various ways. One is to say something is cool. Again, que chimba. Or que chimbita. Also, to talk about something that's cheap or not functional. So when you're talking about something that didn't work out right. No, eso está muy chimbo. No, that's really cheap, crappy, or useless. La chimba, hermano. No way, bro. No, la chimba. No way. Embarrar. This means to smear, but we use it when we want to talk about something that goes wrong or messes up. This should be conjugated when used according to the situation. Yo la embarré. I messed it up. Ella embarró su chance de ascender en el trabajo. She ruined her chance to get promoted at work. Bobo or boba, meaning silly, dumb, or stupid. It's actually quite popular to use throughout South America, but in Colombia, you hear it quite a lot. People just calling themselves bobo or boba. So don't really take offense unless you can tell that they're trying to offend you. Although I doubt that anyone will say that to you as a tourist. But you will hear people saying it between themselves. Example, no seas tan boba. Don't be so silly. Like bubble tea. Maluco or maluca, depending on the gender. This slang means ill, sick, or bad taste. Comí en la calle y ahora me siento maluca. I ate street food and now I feel sick. Tener buena pinta. Literal meaning to have good paint. In slang, it means to be good looking. You'll hear it used to describe males and is a way for men to compliment each other, as well as women to say it to other men when they think that they are good looking. Si ese man tiene buena pinta. Yeah, that guy's good looking. You may also use it to talk about something that doesn't look so good by saying, ese caldo no tiene buena pinta. That soup doesn't look too good. You probably shouldn't eat it. And that's all the Colombian slang I have for you today. I hope you have fun with those. Don't forget that we have Spanish tutors here at Spanish 55 for you if you'd like some one-on-one attention. Just head over to Spanish55.com and book your call today. ¡Qué bacano que te hayas visto todo este video! Nos vemos en la próxima. See you in the next video.